So now I want to talk about the third section, number 3, that orange section, the practice it section. Here I've included just a few things to help you move forward toward the culminating activity in section 4. The first thing, you might be unclear as to which career cluster you want to research. That's okay. Some kids know what they want to go into and some don't have any idea. That is okay. Either way is okay. The first thing that I have included in that first box is a career cluster skills assessment. This is a survey, and this may help you dive a little bit deeper into things that you're interested in, and it should pop out a career cluster that might be best suited for you. And that might be a great starting point. So I encourage you to check that out. The second one, in the second box, you'll see that there's a video. We are going to be using the tool Canva. Now, if you've had me in class before, you know that this is my very favorite thing on the planet. In addition to Remove BG, Canva will also be life-changing for you. So that is a Canva tutorial. So I do want you to check that out prior to moving on to section 4. And then finally, there is an article, and this is about how to make an eye-catching and effective poster. And not that you are expected to only create a poster. You can certainly create anything that you wish in section 4 using the Canva tool. But there are some really good ideas and suggestions in this article. So remember that everything that we submit is high quality, is your best and final, and that the work that you produce should represent you in a very high quality and positive way. So anything that we can do to help make that happen, I want to provide here for you. So again, if you're not sure about what you want to do in your future, take that career clusters skills assessment. Definitely watch the Canva tutorial so you understand how to use that tool, and we'll be doing some of that in class anyway, but still I'd like you to have a background in that in Canva. And then finally, just getting some ideas about fonts and headings and colors and all that sort of thing, but that article can prove very useful with this assignment as well. If you have any questions or you need any support, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.